Let's take a look at Amsterdam from the water. It's a major inland port. For us, we actually took 2 canal cruises. Now, I wish we did one more in the evening so that we could see the city in lights. One of the tours took us first through the IE River. It's much wider than the canals that you usually picture. So in the open area, then we started to see some buildings. Here's an ocean liner just to show you that the port can take many size boats. I don't know what those pictures were in that building. This white building is a I Film Institute of Netherlands. And this is the music center. Here's a famous Chinese restaurant they have there. This is a replica of a ship from the 1800s that sank on its maiden voyage. After that is this building called Nemo. It's a science museum. This is one of the oldest botanical gardens actually in the world. Our hotel was actually alongside this route, so from my room, I would wave down and see just how many tourists from the canal boats would wave back, and some did. Now, on to the canals itself. Some of these houseboats, they needed some work. Some of this area is quite spectacular. And beautiful bridges throughout. So there's many houseboats that line the canals. Now before, there was a huge housing shortage, so they used houseboats. And today, most of them are legal. But the illegal ones, they don't have electricity, water, or gas. There are all kinds of boats in the little canal, and very unusual houseboats also. This is the famous Skinny Bridge, and it's a traditional double leaf Dutch drawbridge. Every house had a gable with a furniture hook. It's because the houses are so narrow that the furniture had to go through the window. There's also some cranes and hooks and pulleys on the side there. Imagine living in those houseboats and having people travel by your house all day long. This is a beautiful part of the canal. Anne Frank's house is behind that.
And even sometimes on plots half that size. Here, however, on the Golden Bend, as this section is called, stand houses some 10 to 12 meters wide. Enormous patrician houses, often with 15 to 40 rooms.
There's nothing to prevent that car from falling into the canal.
Auf die insgesamt 7 Bogenbrücken der Rivierstra, die hintereinander liegen.
you just made a very abrupt
After the
right.
bridge, you will have on both sides
Quite ornate. Business on the bottom floor, housing on top. That mirror vision is pretty neat. Now, soft soil has made some of the buildings lean on each other. That's the Mint Tower. Every year they dredge up to 10,000 bicycles from the canal and 52 bodies a year. And it's basically vagrants who are under the influence and fall in the canals and sadly drown. Everything seems to be facing the canals. All their major hotels, museums, and so forth seem to be there. As you can tell, space is a premium. She's taking water out of her boat. There's another version of the canal boats. They love their pickled herring. And here is a 3-story bike lot. I couldn't believe how many bikes are parked there. And everywhere.
Hier sehen Sie eine dreistöckige Fahrradparkgarage, wo ca. 2500 Fahrräder Platz haben.
On the right, we can see the
Then there's some other parts of the canals that are more, I'd say, industrial, more modern looking. Here we are back. This is where a majority of the canal tours are, but there also are some in central Amsterdam. Thanks for watching.